MEXC cryptocurrency exchange is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, and today we'll be doing a quick review talking about the dip liquidity, the no-KYC access, and early altcoin listings, and why this is really one of the best platforms for altcoin hunters and futures traders. And no KYC, low KYC users, high frequency traders, and emerging market access, right? The strengths that I see with MEXC include dip liquidity on futures markets, no mandatory KYC to trade or withdraw, the largest selection of altcoins and early listings, right? You've got low trading fees, powerful copy trading. It's not available in the US, normal tier 1 regulatory license, and occasional overload during major listings. This is what we're diving into. If you like the kind of content on the channel, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, check out MEXC, link down below so you can get the best fees using my affiliate link, right? So what is MEXC? It's one of the world's deepest derivatives platforms that's offering hundreds of futures pairs, extremely fast order execution, and the most aggressive altcoin listings globally, right? It's a no KYC approach and low fees that make it a top choice for professional and emerging market traders, right? What I like about MEXC, they've got rapid altcoin listings. When altcoins hit the market, that's where you find them, right? Extremely deep liquidity on futures, no mandatory KYC for trading, competitive fees on top of that, high leverage up to 200x, and a strong presence across Asia, South America, Africa, consistently in the top 5 for global derivatives exchanges. When you're looking at open interest, right? So when you're looking at the supported regions and kind of the regulatory landscape, they're global, they're in Asia, they're in Africa, they're in LATAM, they're in the EU, one of the world's most worldwide used platforms. Of course, you know, KYC requirements, tier 0 no KYC. That's what a lot of traders are looking for. Spot trading, futures trading, withdrawals up to 30 BTC a day. Tier 1, tier 2 exchange, KYC, higher limits, fiat on ramps, P2P protections if you want to do KYC. It's really best for trading futures, over 2,000 plus tradable assets, high speed matching engine, advanced trading view charts, over 300 plus perpetual pairs, up to 200x leverage, dip liquidity, copy trading with leaderboards, thousands of strategies provided, transparent P&L statistics, auto flow position sizing, really a launchpad and a Kickstarter where you can actually have frequent listings in early stage projects and get advantage of that by being early in the market, right? Automated trading is also available on MEXC, grid bots, DCA bots, futures, grid, API access, quantitative tools, all of that. You can also get products like earn products where you get yield, staking, the simple earn, the flexible savings, and also some structured products. When you come to looking at the fees, it's one of the best. 0.1 on maker, 0.1 on taker on the standard. If you've got the MX token, you get discount, so your maker fee 0.08 to 0.08 on the maker taker. Futures fees tier 1 0.00. That's pretty much no fees for maker. Taker fees 0.02%. Some of the lowest in the industry VIP levels 0.015 to 0% on the maker, 0.02 to 0.0012% on the taker fees. Competitive funding rates, right? Via if you kind of compare them to Bybit and KCEX, very competitive. Deposit withdrawal fees, no crypto deposit fees, withdrawal fees are market based, right? Supported cryptocurrencies, so many, like we said, security, proof of reserves, cold storage, all of these things that are really they're doing to try to make sure, you know, you as a user has a good experience and trust in their products. fast order execution, full trading view integration, one-click reversal, multi-chart layout, efficient derivatives, terminal mobile access, feature-rich, clean interface, copy trading, integrated customer support, 24/7 live chat, email support, active social channels. Go check out MEXC, and also if you look at them versus other competitors like MEXC versus Bybit or KCEX or Bitunix, if you want to find out more, go to our main site where we've got the full review of the platform, and you can see here on our final rating, we give it a high 9.2 out of 10. If you're an offshore trader, futures trader, altcoin hunter, if you're in any of the regions like Africa, Asia, LATAM, EU, crypto beginners and intermediates who want to get high leverage, low fees without KYC hurdles, of course, make sure you do your own research. But MEXC has been in the game, proving to be one of the most trusted exchanges out there. Check out the link down below. Start using it to get the best fees and discounts and bonuses. Peace.